Throughout the history of life, Earth has been inhabited by an array of astonishingly immense creatures, spanning from vast oceans to lush forests. The sheer size of these animals is difficult to fathom, ranging from towering herbivores to formidable predators, leaving an enduring legacy on our planet. In this video, we shall delve into a captivating exploration of Earth's largest creatures throughout time, including the contemporary champion of size. Prepare to be enthralled by the magnificence and scale possessed by these extraordinary beings. One remarkable giant of the past is Argentinosaurus, a colossal herbivorous dinosaur. Approximately 90 million years ago, in what is now known as Argentina. Renowned as one of the largest terrestrial beings to have ever existed, estimates suggest its length may have reached up to 100 feet, with a weight of around 100 tons. Its elongated neck constituted nearly half of its entire body length, accompanied by a relatively modest head housing a brain comparable in size to a baseball. The remains of Argentinosaurus are among the most massive ever unearthed, exemplified by thigh bones exceeding 6 feet in length. Given its immense proportions, it likely required substantial quantities of vegetation to sustain itself, consuming up to half a ton of food daily. Due to its sheer size and strength, this colossal creature likely faced few natural predators. However, Argentinosaurus was not alone in dominating the prehistoric landscape. Enter Spinosaurus, a genus of theropod dinosaur that also thrived during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 100 to 95 million years ago. This remarkable creature is characterized by its distinctive sail-like structure adorning its back, comprised of elongated spinal vertebrae. The initial fossils of Spinosaurus were discovered in Egypt during the early 20th century but were tragically lost during World War II. Nevertheless, recent discoveries have provided fresh insights into this extraordinary and intimidating dinosaur. It appears that Spinosaurus was not solely terrestrial but instead inhabited both land and water, earning the designation of a semi-aquatic dinosaur. The creature's adaptations for swimming included a long and narrow snout, likely employed for capturing fish, and webbed feet that facilitated effortless movement through aquatic environments. However, the scientific community remains uncertain about the precise swimming capabilities of Spinosaurus and whether it spent all or merely a portion of its existence in water. With estimates placing its length at over 15 meters and weight at 8 metric tons, it is undeniable that this dinosaur, regardless of its aquatic prowess, instilled fear and awe in any context. However, dinosaurs were not the only colossal creatures that inhabited Earth. Schostosaurus, a prehistoric marine reptile, thrived during the late Triassic period, approximately 210 to 215 million years ago. Regarded as one of the largest marine reptiles known to have existed, some Schostosaurus specimens stretched up to 20 meters in length. Comparable in size to the modern blue whale, it ranks among the largest creatures to have ever inhabited the oceans. Schostosaurus was a remarkably adapted swimmer, boasting an elongated body and paddle-like limbs, indicating its capability for efficient and sustained swimming. Its uniquely shaped, large tail likely served as a propulsive mechanism, akin to that of a modern dolphin. As a carnivore, Schostosaurus is believed to have preyed upon other marine reptiles and large fish, as evidenced by its elongated snout filled with sharp teeth. While Schostosaurus ruled the ancient seas, another apex predator would emerge millions of years later, lurking in the depths, forever on the prowl for its next meal. The infamous Megalodon, also known as the mega-toothed shark, remains one of the most renowned prehistoric sharks to have roamed the oceans. This colossal shark thrived during the Miocene and Pliocene epochs, approximately 23 to 3.6 million years ago, and stood as one of the largest predators to have ever inhabited the marine realm. The most remarkable characteristic of Megalodon is its immense size. The largest Megalodon specimens discovered indicate lengths of around 18 meters and weights of up to 60 tons. To put this into perspective, the largest recorded great white shark, a close relative of Megalodon, reaches a maximum length of approximately 6 meters and weighs a mere 2.5 tons. The colossal size of Megalodon was a result of its diet, as scientists suggest it fed on a variety of large marine mammals, including whales. With an estimated bite force ranging between 10 and 18 tons of pressure, Megalodon possessed a jaw strength over 10 times that of the largest recorded great white shark. This incredible biting power enabled Megalodon to effortlessly penetrate the thick blubber of its prey. Despite its impressive size and strength, Megalodon went extinct approximately 3.6 million years ago. However, the precise cause of its extinction remains a topic of debate, with theories suggesting factors such as a decline in available prey or competition with other predators. In the vast oceanic realm, a contender likely emerged to assume the role of the ocean's apex predator, a colossal creature known as Leviathan. This immense prehistoric whale thrived approximately 12 to 13 million years ago during the Miocene epoch. Leviathan ranks as one of the largest predatory whales ever to exist, with estimates indicating lengths of 17 to 18 meters and weights of 50 to 60 tons. Its robust jaws were armed with teeth that could reach up to 36 centimeters in length, making them some of the largest teeth among known carnivorous animals. Sporting blade-like and serrated structures, these teeth were ideally suited for tearing through the flesh of its prey. Based on tooth structure, it is believed that Leviathan primarily hunted large marine animals like whales, seals, and dolphins. Given its size and predatory nature, it is conceivable that Leviathan may have encountered and potentially engaged in conflicts with Megalodon. However, it's important to note that direct evidence of such interactions is lacking, as both species existed millions of years apart and inhabited different marine environments. Turning our attention to the realm of colossal land animals, we encounter an imposing figure, Paraceratherium. These hornless, rhinoceros-like mammals roamed the Earth during the Oligocene epoch, approximately 34 to 23 million years ago. Possessing a lengthy and flexible neck, as well as a relatively small head in proportion to its massive body, Paraceratherium was likely an herbivore, feeding on leaves and vegetation. Its 4 sturdy legs, each with 3 toes, were well adapted to support its weight and facilitate movement across vast territories. Meanwhile, during the same period, North America was home to 3 other colossal land animals. Diodon, one of the largest entelodonts, a group of pig mammals that inhabited North America and Eurasia. Diodon was an omnivore that scavenged and hunted various prey, including small mammals, reptiles, birds, and carrion. Equipped with a formidable bite force and sharp teeth capable of crushing bones, Diodon occupied a top spot in the prehistoric food chain. However, the reign of the terror pig Diodon came to an end during the late Miocene, approximately 5 million years ago, possibly due to competition with other carnivores or climate change. In the realm of colossal reptiles, there existed formidable creatures that you would undoubtedly wish to avoid encountering, such as the following behemoth. Megalania, also known as the giant ripper lizard, was a prehistoric predator that inhabited Australia during the Pleistocene epoch. This massive lizard is estimated to have reached lengths of up to 6 meters and weighed around 680 kilograms, making it one of the largest lizards ever known to exist. One intriguing aspect of Megalania is its surprising ability to climb trees despite its substantial size and weight. It is believed that Megalania utilized its robust claws to ascend trees in search of prey or as an escape from potential predators. Interestingly, Megalania became extinct approximately 50,000 years ago, raising the possibility that humans either preyed upon or were themselves preyed upon by this formidable reptile.